Thank you, ma'am, for giving me such a golden opportunity to join with you and as well as having a call with you. My name is Sivani. I live in UP, District Pratapgarh. And if you talk about my village, then my village name is Chaurahi. It is situated between Alapur and Manikpur. And if you talk about my education, then I'm PG with English literature. And after that, I take diploma of DLED and I passed the exam of teacher eligibility test. And still I'm waiting for Super TET as well as preparing for that. Except this, I'm running my YouTube channel for the last 6 or 7 months. Its name is Startup English Classes by Sivani. And I'm running my own coaching also, spoken classes and academy 9, 10th, 11, 12. And this is
Okay.
this start.
So do you run your coaching alone or you have employed certain teachers?
No, ma'am, with my big brother. I and my big brother run my own coaching. There is only spoken classes. And after
Okay.
there is a coaching nearby my coaching. There is a academy 9, 10th, 11, 12. There I teach English in that classes, in that coaching.
Oh, all right. So you have never taught formally in any of the school. Yes?
No, no, ma'am. I don't because I am also still a student, and after teaching school, we don't get too much time for ourselves. I have to read a super TET because there are 10 or 12 subjects in super TET. Then I
Okay.
have to study that, and there is a 6 or 7 hours school takes, and
Yes. You're,
finding it,
yes, yes. So you don't get time for self-study.
yeah,
You
don't
mean to say that that's the reason you haven't joined any school. Yes? So you have decided that
yeah,
altogether you will join government school. Yes?
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes, yes. Wonderful, wonderful. So you are running a coaching and you are teaching to the level of class ninth, 10th, you mentioned,
Yes,
and 11th, 12th as well.
yes, ma'am, yes.
11th, 12th students also come to your coaching.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. It is from 9 to 12. 9 to 12.
Okay, okay. Yes. So can we discuss today what's the problem, or you can say what are the challenges in front of today's kids and
Yes.
the kids when we were kids? Yes. So can we discuss this today because you are one-to-one facing every day. You are connecting to so many children coming to your place, some boys, some girls. So how do you find it? Do you find any difference from even your age or from my age and to the age of the students you are teaching to?
Yes. Ma'am, firstly, discussing these things, first introduce yourself for me and for my viewers also.
Okay, so for me, if you want, because in every video, what I do, I introduce myself. Yes, so I am Manju Mishra and connecting to you from Lucknow. Yes, if you talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my master's and I have done my Bachelor of Education. And then I have been a dedicated teacher since 1990. I taught in 3 different convent schools for nearly 31 years. And formally, now I'm retired and I run my YouTube channel just to make myself busy and to remain connected to my passion. So yes, I upload grammar videos and I upload some conversation videos on my channel. My channel's name is Grammar with Manju Mam. I have a very small family of 4, my husband, my 2 children, 1 daughter and 1 son, and me. So this is all about me. If you talk about my interest, yes, I love teaching to the students, and of course, gardening is one of my best hobby, you can say, and listening to music is another one. So that's in short about me.
It's wonderful, ma'am. And same, I would like to say that I'm fond of teaching. I love teaching and I love gardening also. I like planting. It's
Oh,
my,
so yes, same pinch, we can say that something common in both of us.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, that's lovely, lovely to know. Yes.
Uh, means,
If I call you Shivani, is it okay?
yeah, ma'am. It's
Is
okay, fine.
Okay, okay. Because I know, I feel very formal if I do not call somebody with some address. Yes, so if I address you by your name, I feel comfortable because you are a small kid for me. Yes.
Yeah, I'm like your daughter, ma'am.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. My daughter is married. Yes. So you can understand. So you are like my daughter only. Yes.
Ma'am.
So as I was talking to that today's kids, what are the challenges? The very first thing what I feel I want to tell you, and then you, by the time you just prepare your mind to discuss the other points.
Yes, ma'am.
From the very beginning, what I notice is the biggest problem or the biggest challenge for the students, for the children to remain connected or remain sincere in any one thing is the social media, the mobile. Yes, very small child of 2 3 months, even I can say, parents used to give mobile just to make them engage, just to make them feed on time properly, so that child remains busy watching mobile and mama can feed the child. So this I feel that from very beginning, as they have been given mobile, so what happens, it affects their eyes, it distracts their mind. Even though they are eating, they don't know what are they eating, because their mind and heart, everything is in mobile. Yes. So this is the biggest problem I find. Even though literate parents, they are all educated parents, but still they do the same. Yes, this happens even in my family. Many a times I tell them don't do this, but they say that this is impossible, my child will not eat.
Yes, sir.
So yes, this problem is a big problem. Yes.
If
So
kids are weeping, then parents give them phone, then use it, and then they find they don't. They stop weeping.
yes,
And
that's the thing.
I saw many times they use phone more fastly than we are. Means we are using
Yes.
and then they know everything. I don't understand what happens with them, but they use phone very fastly.
Yes, they are very technical. That's true, because they have taken birth in this technical society. Yes, technology is so fast these days. So they are also super fast, we can say. But yes, at certain place we have to have some control, because for making them eat, for making them drink, for making them busy, if we are giving them mobile, it means they will be addicted of it.
Yes.
Yes, so that in a way it's good that they are learning more technology, but at the same time they are learning some bad things also, you can say. Yes,
Both are available there.
both the things are available, and more than that, they are getting into this habit that they will not eat until or unless you provide them mobile. Yes,
Yes.
so yes, that is what I felt. So yes, now I certainly would like to know one point from your side, if you want to. Yes.
It is same here, ma'am. They are addicted of these things. Sometimes I found that class is going on, and in behind class they are using phone. They are watching reels, and they are doing these things. Means earlier students was too dedicated to your studies, but this time they are not too dedicated or too passionate to this. I felt it that they are only doing formality as reading 9, 10th, 11, 12. They don't have ambition to do big things related study, and they are not working hard these things.
Yes,
And they
yes, yes,
and
yes.
these parts of parents and there also both are playing important role in this problem, I can say.
Yes, that's true. Because parents send them with good intention that go to certain coaching, learn something, make your future. Yes, but if they come to coaching just for the sake of making their parents satisfied, coming and sitting at the back of somewhere in the class and just utilizing their mobile, replying to their friends, deciding or committing something where we are going to meet today, all these things, so their mind is occupied in different things. Physically they are present there, but mentally they are not in the class. Yes, so that becomes difficult for teacher also to make those kind of children to understand, to make them understand anything. Yes, you are teaching here maths, maybe teaching English rules, some grammar rules, and child is busy dealing with certain things, so it's very difficult, it's a challenge for teachers.
Yes,
And yes, at the same time you can't say anything to them, because these are grown up kids, they are coming to your coaching. So if you say something, at times they become revengeful also.
yeah, it is very challenging for the teacher also. And when
Yes,
they don't do anything good, then directly parents say that teacher, what are you teaching them? means they think that only teacher is doing these things, but teacher
Yes.
teaches in one students in the same class top and one students fail. If this is the fault of teacher, then all students must fail, I think it.
Yes.
And
Yes.
depend on the mentality of students, that how they get and how their interest is, these things.
That's true. That's true.
And,
We can understand that every child has not the same IQ level. So, yes, it's okay. But at least they can focus the same amount. Yes or no? Everybody who is coming to the coaching, I know that everybody is not going to secure 100% marks. Some will be at 60s, some will be at 70s, 80s, 90s, and like that. But yes, at least as far as their focus part, they must pay more focus. Once they are settled in their future, in their career, then of course mobile is always there, laptop is always there. They can use them as much as they want. Yes. So this is what I feel, that these days children are so much into mobile. Not only children, even we also, you see, everyone these days, I see, even you, if you are in flight, you are in train, you are sitting in one room, if five members sitting in one room, all five will have their mobile. They are busy doing something on mobile.
no,
Hardly any personal conversation is taking place.
means if 2 or 3 person are sitting, then they don't talk to each other, they are busy in mobile. Yes,
Yes.
even parents, father, mother, brother, sister are sitting, they are all are using their phone, they don't have anything to talk to each other, and it
So
makes
this,
it
yes, yes, yes. This
that's
was
not.
the negative part of mobile. But yes, of course, during the pandemic, we can understand that mobile had a great role. Yes,
Yeah.
due to that, we could take online classes. Children were connected. Somehow we managed to take examination even online, activities even online. So that time it was really very fruitful. Yes. And from there, I feel children are more into it. Now, because earlier parents provided them, now they cannot stop them. This is what has happened.
They are not able
Yes.
to leave their this
Yes.
habit.
Yes. Yes. Any more question for me, Shivani?
Yes, ma'am. As I heard that you are a teacher and you was in a government school, and I feel that you are very senior to me and you have experienced a lot of things. Then please share me some experience of your teaching life, or teaching career. Please explain
Yes.
this if you have.
Yes. I think you misunderstood me. I'm not a government teacher. I taught in convent school.
Oh,
Convent school. Okay. So it was private school. Okay.
yes.
Convent is, you understand, I think, the
Yeah.
school run by nuns. Yes, yes. So I taught in different convent schools, and yes, my journey was superb. Starting from 1990 till I left the school, I had a very nice journey. I was very much connected to my children. I was very much connected to my colleagues, my administration, you can say. And before leaving my job, I was coordinator in my school for 10 years. So that journey was also awesome. I handled all my teachers, all my staff very lovingly. Means we had a very good terms. Yes. So that was a lovely journey. Of course, I left that, and at times I still feel that I should have not left. I should have continued. But yes, whatever happens, happens for the good. So nowadays, where I'm busy, that life also I'm enjoying. So yes, my journey was wonderful, Shivani.
Yes, ma'am. It's very wonderful.
Yes.
And ma'am, if you have something, then you can also ask me.
Yes, I just wanted to know that where from you came to know about me. Only YouTube channel or from somewhere else?
No, ma'am, means on YouTube. On YouTube, I saw you. I was also, first, I would like to say that I also want to start this session for some person that who wants to be partner for speaking English. Then, means you are the first person for my this inauguration, you can say. You are first person with whom I will upload this video.
Oh no.
Well, yes, I will always remember this.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So many such people connected to me, and they told me that you are the first one I'm talking to. Yes, so I feel really great about it, that somebody is starting with me.
We can learn a lot of things from you because means you have great experience and you have experienced a lot of things in your teaching life. Then I can feel it.
Yes, yes, yes. My journey was actually so fantastic that I really can share anything that will make people think that I should become a teacher. Yes, because it happens that many a times people think I could not become anything, so I became a teacher. I have no regret. I feel that I became what I wanted to. Yes. So
Yes,
we should never think that I am a teacher because I could not become anything. I am a teacher because I'm making many personalities. Yes, we are making leaders, doctors, engineers, and whatnot. Yes. So
yes. I think that teaching is the best job because after becoming a doctor, engineer, professor, then we are only alone a doctor, engineer. But by teacher, we can make many teachers, many engineers, and many person. And sometimes some students ask me question that if you have so much knowledge and if you are means teacher, then why you don't become anything? Why you are making others? Then I said that if I will become teacher, then who will make? In means funny, I said that if there will be no teachers in the world, then how doctor, engineer will professor? All the teachers will think like this, then who will teach? Then I
yes,
like teaching because ma'am, after teacher is, if I taught any students one times, then in whole life anywhere suddenly after 10 years he will meet, then he will come and he will means many, if you are at the two means top post, and if your teachers meet to you, then you touch his feet and you give respect. This is a very respectful job, I can say
yes,
it.
yes. And yes, we have a great respect for our teachers till date. Yes. So we should also try to remain always respectful for our children. Yes. So that's not easy these days. To become respectful, we have to sacrifice so many things. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, there
that was the time we had been taught that you must respect your teacher, and we were doing the same. But today, it's a bit challenging thing because teachers have to be tricky enough, smart enough, polite enough, humble enough to get the respect from their students.
means today's teacher many times means teacher becoming teacher is a common, but becoming a good teacher or best teacher is difficult, I think, because if we are teacher, we can't bear everything, we can't speak everything anywhere, whenever we go anywhere, then we get students, then we will have to always maintain ourselves as a teacher. Sometimes in family means if we are means kidding anything or doing anything, then parents say that you are teacher, you are speaking like this, means even at home we have to listen like this, we can't be free, means family members
We
then
have certain responsibilities. Yes, so we have to behave in that way.
yeah, we
Yes,
have,
right.
we can't do means everything, we have to a lot of, we have to do a lot of sacrifices for this,
Yes,
for be a
yes,
good.
yes, yes, yes. That's the beauty of a teacher.
Yeah,
Sacrifice for others. Yes, 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 Shivani. It was a wonderful conversation. We had a lovely time. We discussed many a things. In future, once again, if we'll have time, if time will allow, we'll certainly meet once again. Okay. So lovely meeting you. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Take a very good care of your health. Yes. Bye
yeah, ma'am.
bye.
Again, from the bottom of my heart for giving such a golden
Thank
opportunity.
you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.